At Worcester Polytechnic Institute, our 6-person major qualifying project team noticed a problem with trash lining our streets and highways. We set out to build an autonomous aerial system to combat this. This is Terror Warning Drone Cleanup.
All good. Rotate.
Our project consisted of 3 primary systems. Our drone system allowed us to navigate from location to location. Our vision system allowed us to determine where a trash object is and how to get there. Our hardware system consisted of our manipulator design and our gripper design, which was how we actually picked up trash.
You need to be able to command the drone to go to a position, and for that, the drone needs to know where it is. The optical flow sensor is connected directly to the Pixhawk autopilot, giving it an external frame of reference, even when it doesn't have a GPS signal, which is very useful for our indoor flight tests.
After the drone navigates to a can, the manipulator maneuvers around and grasps it using its compliant fin ray mechanism. This allows the can to be secured with a tight grasp that will not fail during flight.
First, we pass the image from the camera into a machine learning model, which tries to predict the location of the can, having trained on many other images of cans. Then we grab the data from the stereo camera to try to approximate the depth of the actual can in the image.
Coordination is ensured between the different subsystems by the task manager. It receives and reacts to messages from different subsystems, and this controls the overall state machine.
A potential future direction for this project would be to work more in depth on the control to allow for more complicated movement patterns or working on more diverse environments than just a flat ground.
Land it and kill it right as it lands.
Live and let die.